project I'm going to present you today, it consists of two parts, and I will mainly present the online part, but if you are interested during the networking part, I'm going to tell you more about our offline project. So, GALAKTIKA is a global future foundation, and the market and the idea that we are targeting. So we're not just like another space tech project. Our idea is much more broader, and we're addressing the problem which all the humanity is facing right now, because all of us are stuck in the virtual reality and the virtual world. And according to our research, we found out that nowadays over 2.3 billion people worldwide spend each year in video games, and they absolutely forgot about real development, about future, about space, and about own development. So that's a real problem, and we are going to solve it with our project. So what we have is a community, a space, and a knowledge base. And our mission is to create a real better future through our education project and our platform. So we have the following elements. So we have a community, an online platform, and a network of offline space hubs, and a space center. So far we have made an infrastructure and online platform for community and networking between different members, and our main target audience are millennials and people, young professionals, so 25 to 35 years old. And we are addressing the US market and the European market. We have also prepared a few education courses, and we are partnering with different experts in space tech, in brain tech, in genetics, and different areas of future technologies. So far we have launched the online platform, and we are currently designing our space center and space hub on Earth, and we plan to locate it in Singapore. We also plan in the future a network of space hubs all around the world. So on our platform, what people could really get is networking, knowledge about future, about new technologies, about self-development and new opportunities. And for partners, we have different promotion packages and opportunity to gain through our community their products and their values. So we're a mix of between B2C and B2B audience here. So our addressing market is 43 billion. It's an entertainment and education market which are mainly spent by Gen Z, so young millennials. And so we're quite unique compared to our potential competitors. So our community type is very close to WeWork approach. However, we are not like total co-working place, and we are not total education place as Coursera or other companies. So our unique things is that we mix online and offline activities, science and art things, and networking and education. I know this is quite specific, and this is not very typical a Silicon Valley project, but that's our approach, and it really works now. So, and we have membership packages which we sell on our platform. So we have residents on our virtual platform, and in the future in space hubs, and we have different levels of membership, and that's how we get revenue. So far we have launched 2 education programs. We have over 12,000 members who subscribed even before we officially launched and started to market the project, and we have over 700 customers who potential could buy all our packages. So we project around 4 million revenue in the first operating year, because we have this demand already. And so this is a short about our business model. So we have subscription for the packages on the platform. We have a membership system on our space hubs, and we have also like different educational courses, merchandising as different revenue streams. So according to our traction, we plan to open next year first space hub, and by 2022 the big space center, and continue to grow our community and our network of partners. Our team, it consists of different people all around the globe. Part of them came and originated from Europe and have launched successfully many community and education projects. That's why we are ideal to launch that kind of idea and that kind of space project. And the main thing is that we are not only another startup company, and it's not for me just a business project. For me, space, it's a future and it's a passion. It's a way to change our way of thinking and our humanity. And that's why we are targeting this market. That's why we really want to make a shift through the project and through that idea. So we are raising, I know that regarding the comments, it's quite a huge number that we are raising, but it's split not only for online activities and marketing, it's split also for construction, the Space City Center. And we have already negotiations with Singapore government because they have a really great government initiatives to construction, and they are offering us around 80% of funding, which is around $50 million, and that's why we are raising this round. We are ready to also to partner with different organizations who are scientific based and who could provide, for example, universities or different research. So we are not looking not only for investment but also for a smart money. So thank you for your attention.